Solitaire Cash bonus ads depend on the app successfully loading an ad, so if the reward button does nothing or the ad never starts, the problem can be caused by the connection, app state, or ad availability. By the end you'll know which checks to perform first, how to refresh the app's connection to its ad services, and what to do if ads still refuse to load. Start by checking whether Solitaire Cash itself has a stable internet connection. Open another website or app that uses the internet and confirm that it loads normally. If you are using Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data temporarily and test the bonus again. If you are using mobile data, try Wi-Fi instead. Next, completely close Solitaire Cash and reopen it. Remove the app from your recent app screen instead of simply switching away from it. Then launch Solitaire Cash again and check whether the bonus ad loads. If the ad still does not appear, check whether your device is blocking advertising or tracking requests. VPNs, private DNS settings, ad blocking apps, content filters, and some network-level blockers can interfere with ads inside mobile games. Temporarily disabling those services can help identify whether one of them is preventing the ad from loading. On Android, also check that Solitaire Cash has the permissions and network access it needs through your device settings. On iPhone, check the app's settings and your device's network restrictions if you use them. Then check for an available Solitaire Cash update in the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. An outdated app can have compatibility problems with current ad services, so installing an available update is a useful troubleshooting step. You should also restart your phone before testing the bonus again. This clears temporary app and network states that can survive after simply closing the game. If regular gameplay works but bonus ads consistently fail, the problem may not be your device. Ad availability can depend on factors outside the game, so repeatedly tapping the reward button may not make an unavailable ad appear. If the problem continues after changing networks, restarting the app, checking blockers, restarting the device, and updating Solitaire Cash, contact Solitaire Cash support. Tell them that gameplay works but rewarded ads are not loading, and include your device model, operating system version, app version, and what happens when you tap the bonus button. The fastest troubleshooting order is simple. Test another network, fully restart Solitaire Cash, disable anything that blocks ads, update the app, and restart the phone. Your next step is to switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa, and test the same bonus again. If the ad still does not load, move on to the app and device checks instead of repeatedly tapping the reward button. If this fixed the problem, like the video and subscribe for more app troubleshooting guides.